Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to go to guys Infinix mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys in Infinix mobile guys face lock setup setting, how to set up face lock, how to use face lock setting in Infinix mobile, one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So how to set up face lock in Infinix mobile, how to use face lock setting. Open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, scroll it. After on phone setting friends, click here security setting. Then friends, click here face unlock setting. And guys, before set face lock, first you will have to set lock screen password. Select your password type, pattern, pin and password. Press I will use pattern lock for face lock. Draw pattern and remember your password. Don't do any mistake, be careful here. Remember your password. Done option. Click here face setting. Next option, show face, and you can start face lock. You can set up face lock in your device. After show face, face lock will set in your device. Friends, click here done option. Face lock will set, and friends, now you can use face lock in Infinix mobile. You want to unlock your phone, then show your face, and guess your phone will unlock automatic. So like that friends, we can set up face lock. We can use face lock setting in Infinix mobile, and you can unlock your phone with password. Draw your pattern, enter password, you can unlock phone. Show your face, you can unlock phone. So like that friends, we can use face lock full setting. We can set up face lock in Infinix mobile. And friends, open your phone setting again. After on phone setting, open your phone security setting. After set screen lock, you can start fingerprint lock also. Draw your device pattern, enter device pin, and you can start fingerprint lock in your device. And friends, if you remove your screen lock by mistake, your face lock and fingerprint lock will remove automatic if you remove your screen lock. After remove, you cannot use face lock setting friends. You can check lock screen, face lock will not show. You want to unlock your phone, you can unlock your phone without face lock, without any password. And again you want to use face lock, first you will have to set lock screen password, then you can start face lock, you can set up face lock. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.